I didn't expect that terrible of a drop to come, but I like where we're headed. Welcome back to the Pat Magazine Show here, Wednesday, February 19th, 2020, 45 minutes after the hour. Got about 9 minutes left in this first hour. A lot of good stuff touched upon. Drew Brees, obviously, Taysom Hill, Teddy Bridgewater. Then we're joined by living legend Kyle Williams, former defensive tackle for the Buffalo Bills and the LSU Tigers. The guy, I love every single time he speaks, I enjoy it. Now it's time for us to speak about a sport that sucks, baseball. Listen, now, a lot of people know my story. Tim McAfee literally did not allow me to play baseball or Jason play baseball because he hated the sport so much. He'd rather we played soccer than baseball because he said baseball lacked movement, it lacked athleticism, and I think selfishly for him, it lacked any entertainment value as a parent watching something, right? So he put us in football or in soccer, put me in soccer and Jay in soccer, which, by the way, I mean, a lot of movement, a lot of activity, a lot of